My name is Nathan Lane. I wrestled for 4 years and found this place, started coming here. It's a wonderful place to be. Coaches are great. The atmosphere is awesome. I just love being here. It's improved my game so much.
Don't do. Don't tweet, don't do. Don't tweet, don't do. Don't tweet, don't do.
Hi, I'm Don D. Morgan, owner and head instructor of Epic BJJ Academy. I'd like to talk to you for a second about our programs. We have adult mixed martial arts. We have adult Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. We have Muay Thai kickboxing. We also have women's martial arts. For the kids, we have Little Ninjas, which is 4 to 6 year olds. We have youth Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and we have Junior MMA League. These classes are awesome. The best training in Parker County, top notch. Give us a call. If you're interested, we'll bring you in for a free private lesson and fitness assessment. 817-808-2675. Call us now.